Welcome to the Tiny Toy Factory. Can you find the yellow button?
There it is!
Press the yellow button and the magical door opens.
Look who's riding the animal elevator. Can you name the animals? A panda, a fox, a koala, and a lion.
These toy trucks come in different sizes: small, medium, and large. Which truck is the biggest? The hamster chef made special sandwiches. Can you find the star shape?
Wonderful!
Shapes are everywhere. Here come the fruits: red apple, yellow banana, purple grapes, and orange orange. Which fruit is red?
That's right, apple.
The toddlers discover a rolling ballroom. Let's count the orange balls together.
1, 2, 3,
4. Great job counting. The squirrels are selling acorns today. Let's count them together. Counting helps us learn and explore. The animals are having a bubble bath. Look at the frog, penguin, otter, and hedgehog. Everyone is having fun.
Let's explore the maze.
What an amazing adventure!